Hey guys, today I'm going to show you our 350Z G35 rear grip kit. As you can see, the FDF knuckle compared to the OEM knuckle shows a significant reduction in camber gain under compression. This is due to the change in the geometry of the grip kit. Our next feature shows the toe gain options. 1 through 4 is going to give you a different degree of toe gain under compression. As you can see, during compression, lowering the toe arm mounting point on the knuckle will increase the toe gain. The kit will also include a modular toe bracket. This bracket is easily bolted on and off and is perfect in case of an accident. This bracket will be your failing point and is easily changed within 5 minutes without affecting your alignment. Another feature is our interchangeable dual caliper brackets. You can run OEM brakes, Willwood brakes, upgrade to Akabono brakes or Brembo brakes, and still be able to use the same knuckle. An up-close look at the CNC machine work on the billet rear knuckles, made from 6061 T6 aluminum.